Today, we are conducting a complete, detailed physical analysis on one of the most historically iconic transition issues in United States copper coining history, the inaugural 1959 Lincoln Memorial Cent. Minted to commemorate the 150th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth, 1959 marked the official end of the beloved wheat ear design that had graced American commerce since 1909. In its place, the Treasury introduced assistant engraver Frank Gasparo's bold new neoclassical design featuring the Lincoln Memorial structure in Washington, D.C. on the reverse face, while retaining Victor David Brenner's classic portrait of Lincoln on the obverse face. While the Philadelphia and Denver facilities struck huge production numbers to introduce the new design, 1959 coins hold immense historical importance as the very first year of the Memorial Cent series. Finding top-tier, uncirculated specimens displaying razor-sharp strike execution across the delicate architectural features remains an exciting pursuit for series specialists. To perform an absolute, high-level forensic evaluation on your 1959 Lincoln Cent under Focus Studio spotlights, follow these 4 comprehensive inspection steps. First, position an illuminated optical magnifying loupe straight over the obverse bottom field to inspect the date digits 1959. Examine the numeral spacing and raised edges closely to verify clean, crisp die alignment without signs of secondary metal displacement or post-mint surface contact. Second, direct your optical lens directly to the center of the new reverse design to examine the 12 vertical columns of the Lincoln Memorial. Serious numismatic specialists focus heavily on column crispness. Look between the central pillars, specifically columns 5 and 6, to locate the tiny raised outline of Abraham Lincoln's seated statue inside the monument building. On weak strikes, this delicate central sculpture disappears, whereas sharp full strikes preserve clear separation lines between each pillar and the statue inside. Third, rotate the coin to inspect the obverse portrait relief. Focus your magnifying lens on the highest points of physical elevation, specifically the hair strands above Lincoln's temple and the defined lapel lines along his coat jacket. On circulated pieces, these raised focal points flatten out rapidly due to everyday handling friction. Uncirculated examples preserve complete, crisp line definition alongside vibrant, original red copper mint luster across the fields. Fourth, verify physical baseline composition metrics using a calibrated digital jewelry scale and precision gauge. An authentic 1959 copper bronze cent must show a static weight reading of exactly 3.11 grams, struck in a standard alloy composition of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc, with a standard diameter of 19 mm. Because pristine uncirculated specimens combining bright original red copper luster with sharp column strike details are highly prized by collectors building complete date sets, verified high-grade pieces maintain outstanding collector interest across the numismatic market. Comment the word memorial right now to systematically log your coin's exact surface features, column details, and copper color designation.